Hi, I'm Mike Capizzola from the Investing Channel, and welcome to Wall Street Connected, the show that highlights what Wall Street's finest are researching online. Today, we're taking a look at United States Antimony Corporation, a stock that trades under the ticker symbol UAMY. The Montana-based firm is a growing, vertically integrated natural resource company that has production and diversified operations in precious metals, zeolites, and antimony. It is also the only significant antimony smelter in the U.S. and the only major rare earth metal supplier outside China. The stock has had a lively start to the year, which caught the attention of 55 institutional investors who researched the stock 81 times over the past 7 days, according to Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking tool. So far this year, the stock is up 160% and is outperforming 7 of the 8 other companies in the primary smelting and refining of non-ferrous metals industry. That's quite out of character as the stock range traded throughout 2020, and we have to go back as far as 2015 to find a daily close above the $1 per share level. Recently, the company was contacted by the NYSE regarding administrative and technical violations relating to the non-underwritten sale of approximately 34% of the company's outstanding equity in early February. The NYSE determined that the issuances should have adhered to the exchange's rules, namely submitting the necessary application and not obtaining shareholder approval, as both transactions exceeded the 20% threshold under the rules. The fact remains, however, that President Trump signed an executive order in October last year targeting the securing of rare earth production and supply chains, and last week, Biden followed up with a fresh directive echoing his predecessor's sentiment. While a halt in trading for a technical rule violation is not exactly great, the fact remains that U.S. Antimony Corporation is the only significant rare earth supplier outside China, at a time when the CCP is threatening to ban exports of rare earth. As a result, the stock price is now trading at levels not seen since 2015, and even revisiting the 2012 highs above $4 per share feels quite possible. Now, this is a company that has quickly and quietly become strategically important to the U.S. government. That doesn't mean that governance and operations will excel immediately, but logic should dictate that as supply chain directives go live, the U.S. Antimony Corporation should benefit from its default restricted practice advantage. For that reason, we think this is a stock worth keeping an eye on. That's all we have time for this week, but as usual, make sure you do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. To find out more about our Trackstar IQ data, sign up for our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/Trackstar.